know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is a sponsored video from YIROO from Amazon. They sent me a lovely hair, a synthetic curly hair. This is the box. Do you see how curly this hair is? It also comes with lashes, a cap, a black one. So the hair also came with a net over it. About the cap, it comes with 2 combs on the left and right side of the cap, 3 inches deep side parting. Front lace size is 11 times 2 inches. Lace color is medium brown. Cap color is dark brown. 2 adjustable straps behind the cap. 1 back comb near the strap. Circumference of the wig cap is 22.5 inch, suitable for most head size. Elastic cap, design breathable whenever you want to wear it. If you are looking for a high quality synthetic lace front wig, YIROO is your best choice. They have high quality synthetic fiber to make the wig look soft and natural and easy to maintain and install. I'm gonna give you guys a 360 of how the wig looks, so let's get into the styling part now.
Church boy with my dukes on weekends, waking up at like 6, man, you don't get paid if you sleeping, man, you don't know where I come from, you don't know what I've been through, realize I don't say shit about all the bread that I sent you, you getting mad, I'm sitting back, I'm fucked up, I'm getting trash, gotta go watch 2 gold chains and a gold real like Trinidad, trick I'm the man, act like you know me, popping off like a semi, man, I rap like it's loaded, I mean my crew hot, your crew not, we too sick, no flu shot, on this side, it's all big, man, I ain't dissing on Tupac, just East Coast, all East Coast. These young bloods don't know better. Most of y'all got no chill. They'll get it poppin' in snow weather. Some kids just need love. They'll put in work for like no cheddar. Looking up to them dope boys. They got bands like Coachella. Yeah, just remember, I might have your girl for dinner. I'm the man year round, January to December. She take me out of my place, but I stay in my zone. Look me right in my face. She can see through my soul. I said, don't think about it. I said, don't think about it. She took me out of my place, but I stay in my zone. Look me right in my face. I said, don't think about it. She took me out of my place, but I stay in my zone. Look me right in my face. She can see through my soul. I said, don't think about it. I said, don't think about it. She took me out of my place, but I stay in my zone. Look me right in my face. She can see through my soul. I said, don't think about it. I said, don't think about it. Your reflection in my wine glass. That's when I look.
So right here I am styling the hair and I'm cutting some of the hair to get it out my face, so stay tuned.
How the fuck I let you slip away? Life for the party, but I'm dead inside. Kill my vibes, it was genocide. Hard to act like I've been alive. I'm trying to find where I identify. 1 time for the girl that got away. 2 times for the bub I'm about to spray. 3 times for the power that I pray to.
Right here I tried to spray some water on it, and I see that you don't need any water. All you need is just to put it on and just to go. That's it, simple. No water, no plucking, no nothing. Just cut the lace off and that is it.
It's clear, see, I'm 22 but I don't act like it clearly.
So this is style 2. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, a comment, and don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you.